At ngayon, masasaksihan nyo ang mga natatanging eksena na sa pakekang nyo lamang mapapanood.
Ay nako, simula ka lang yan. Ay nako, mas magaling pa ako sa'yo. Excuse me, Miss Charisma. Magaling ako. Kaya sige naman. Ako po si Yasmin, and ako po si Lovey po. Ngayon, hindi nyo lang mapapanood ang showdown namin si Yasmin. Marami pa kayong mapapanood ng cast ng Bakekang showdown din. Oh, like si Valeria, Meron versus Marta. Yes. Sino pa? Si Samameng at Deborah, pagalingan ng English. Aileen Luna, Aileen Moto, Marky Shelo, Rainier Castillo. Yes. Let's begin the showdown.
Beautiful!
Outrageous!
It was the best! Wonderful! Benefit dance and songs!
Yes, of course.
I'm sorry for our English singers, you know.
Yes, because we are rich, you know.
Yeah.
Bonita, before anything,
Yeah.
let's greet the live audience. Hello, fans!
Hi, Ben! Hello!
Okay, let's hear the shout of Charisma's fans!
Hello!
Okay, what about Crystal's fans?
Hello!
Oh my, I can't believe it or
Who is
not.
the singing?
I can't believe it or not,
Who?
Bonita. It's the ugly duck.
Oh!
Bakekang... Eto na ho, ang gabi ng paghaharap.
A fight to the finish!
Yes, of course. Nina Cristal at Charisma.